Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make German strudel using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: all-purpose flour, water, a pinch of salt, and a little oil for the dough. For the filling, you'll need apples, sugar, cinnamon, and breadcrumbs. We'll start by preparing a simple, pliable dough that's easy to work with, even for beginners. This approach ensures a delightful, flaky pastry every time. To begin, mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour with about 1/2 cup of warm water, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Knead this mixture on a lightly floured surface for approximately 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and very elastic. This develops the gluten, crucial for a thin, stretchable dough. Cover the dough with a warm bowl and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This relaxation makes it much easier to roll and stretch. While the dough rests, prepare your filling. Peel, core, and thinly slice 4 medium apples. Mix them with 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Next, gently stretch the rested dough on a floured kitchen towel until it's almost transparent, about 16 by 20 inches. Spread the apple mixture evenly over 2/3 of the dough. Carefully roll the strudel using the towel, creating a beautiful spiral. Finally, transfer your rolled strudel to a baking sheet. Brush the top generously with 2 tablespoons of melted butter, which helps achieve that perfect golden brown, crispy crust. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden and fragrant. Let it cool slightly before dusting with powdered sugar and serving. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.